Good morning, my name is Angela. My parents separated 2 years ago, and it is something that has not been for me. My perfect day. My perfect day will be to wake up in my father's house, open the door of my room, and see the sunrays that illuminate the house where I grew up, hear the laughter of my children and my nephews. Say my mom is preparing breakfast and my dad watching the news. Or looking forward to the delicious breakfast that my mother is preparing. Thank God for a wall during the tea loud at my sister Josie. My Arden so go arriving at our destination. Mm. Having lunch and everyone ordering their favorite dish, where you would order delicious rice with chicken. Enjoy a sunny day, sweet men in the port. The walking through the ecological trails and watching my parents smile holding hands. When it's getting dark, we set up the campus and had before I roast marshmallows tell a story. Was the start and think about that figures that are for me until we fall asleep. Thank you.